I'm going to do a cover of an Andrew Jackson Jihad song. And I saw them last night and they're awesome. But they didn't play this song, which is Little Prince of Principito. So. Hate everything, fuck you. I hate everything you do to me. I despise every lie I've come to believe, and I hate every living thing that I see. Well, this juxtaposition of good and bad reminds me of the best and the worst dreams I have had. I'm either too fabby or fucking sad, and I can't keep up with that. And my jaw, what a shame, just a mountain of death filling up my brain. I am always tied to the tracks of the train, desperately afraid of going insane. And I like to take advantage of a flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. And I like to take advantage of a flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. From this planet. Oh, Christ Almighty, I've been thirsty. I'm forever fat and ugly, stumbling, bumbling, bastard, stubbly faces will always be hungry. I don't know if I am capable of helping anyone. I am at the mercy of emotions of my better friends. My better friends. And I like to take advantage of a flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. I like to take advantage of a flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. Christ Almighty, I've been thirsty. I'm forever fat and ugly, stumbling, bumbling, bastard, stubbly faces will always be hungry, and I don't know if I am capable of helping anyone. I am at the mercy of emotions of my better friends. My better friends. I like to take advantage of a flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. I like to take advantage of this flock of wild birds to make my escape from this planet. Okay. I need to stop doing like this. I need to stop doing that. That's not cute.